Hello everyone. In this question, in the figure, O is the center of the circle. This is a circle which is inscribed in a quadrilateral and O is the center of this circle. Angle AOB is 125 degree. AOB. This angle is 125 degree and we have to find angle COD. COD. This angle, and these are the given options. So let's see how to solve this question. So this is the circle inscribed in a quadrilateral, right? And we know that if a circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral, then opposite sides of the quadrilateral subtend supplementary angle at the center. So that means angle AOB plus angle COD will be equal to 180 degree, right? Because AB and CD are opposite sides of the quadrilateral and this is the circle inside the quadrilateral. So opposite sides of this quadrilateral will subtend supplementary angle at the center. This angle plus this angle will be 180 degree. Okay. So now let's substitute the value of angle AOB, which is 125 degree, plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. So this will give angle COD is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. That is angle COD is equal to 55 degree. That is option D is correct.